In Denmark, the local municipalities are responsible for their own climate adaptation plans. In DCA, we assist the municipalities with flood hazard maps, so they can use those for managing their own risk to flooding. The coastline in Denmark is very complex due to a lot of small islands, shallow fjords, narrow straits, and therefore we need reliable models like Sphinx, which is able to model the whole country in a very short time frame. In a situation where we have a large storm coming from the east, producing high water levels in the sea, in combination with heavy rainfall, the city of Svendborg would be very vulnerable because water will build up at the harbor front and will flood the houses in the low elevated areas.
The focus of Dataris is sharing our knowledge and expertise and software to enable other partners to be safer against flooding. So the DCA has set goals to do a national flood risk assessment, and we help them to achieve these goals by co-creating and working together and sharing our knowledge and expertise. So instead of us just sharing a report and models, we're actually co-creating, work together and learning from each other. This way of working is key to our mission-driven way of working.
We will use the Sphinx model in Denmark to produce the next national risk assessment under the EU flood directives. I very much appreciate the partnership with Dataris because learning from the best of their models, we are able to be at our best and improve our results.
It was great for me to lead this project together with the DCA. It was very motivating to learn from each other and really co-creating this together, and I look forward to do this more times in the future. If you want to join me in this mission-driven way of working, feel free to reach out.